thrift haul. You know, just got some little pieces or whatever, and I'm trying to, everybody, I feel like everyone's trying to revamp their closet right now.
You feel me? So
I got some clothes. I'm looking at the clothes. I'm a bit excited. Right? So basically, I went thrift shopping with my sister. It was actually kind of like a couple weeks ago, but I haven't worn everything. So I have, a few pants, and then I have a pair of shorts and 2 tops and like a sweater. Yeah, it's like one sweater. Yeah, just one sweater. So probably try the pants on first, then get to the tops.
it's just a lot of work.
Let's not drag this out, right? So
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this. Like, subscribe, subscribe. Would help me a lot, I'm just, starting to get all of this whole YouTube thing. So, that's the subscription button. I'm just gonna leave my socials, somewhere like here. Wait, what? Shop that, Amber Beauty, AmberBeautyLashes.com. I'll leave my Instagram page for that as well. I have more than just lashes. I have lip glosses. Oh, there's belly rings, little butterfly. You can see it, but butterfly belly piercing. Like I said, I'll leave. You'll see it. You'll get it. Okay. So we have these shorts. They're like cargo shorts. These little beige nude kind of pad, in the mirror.
I like these really cute, really,
not super tight, and they actually fit me pretty well. Like, taking it on you. Like $8. Because I know my jean shorts were like 10. These are like fabric cargo shorts. I'm going for a little bit of that like skater boy kind of look. These are definitely from the men's section. And they're cute. I like these. So here I have these polo pants. And they're like tailored. Like you can see, they're like sewn, like they're less sewn in, whatever. They're kind of big on me. Not kind of. They're like very big. And these were $8 in a polo. They're Ralph Lauren. I'll probably get these tailored, so they fit like more like this. Whatever. They're like too long on my foot. You can see it like covers my whole entire foot. I like them though. So yeah, I'll probably get these like tailored. But they're cute for $8. Little Ralph Lauren, Next up, we have these utility style Dickies. No, this is. Where are you? Oh, like the last pair of pants, like the Ralph Lauren ones. They said polo, like the butt as well. I'm to show that. But, they're cute. These are like baggy, but they actually like fit better. Like they're not as long. My foot is out. They're not as long as the last pair. So these are like a good baggy. Oh, comfortable the moment. Love it. Next up we have these shorts. These are a bit baggy, so like more like here with it, But they're cute though. I like these. Like the little Bermuda shorts. Bermuda. I've always liked Bermuda shorts though, because like I wear short shorts a little bit. But yeah, these are cute. I like these a lot. They're cute. Nice. They just, have like the raw hem kind of thing, so there's a bit of thread hanging from the bottom and not ever. But they're cute.
I just realized I forgot to say like the prices of everything.
Both of my pants were $8. And the shorts, I think the shorts were $10. Yeah, and then these were $10 as well. These are like my favorite. They're the utility ones. These are Carhartt. They have a little utility thingy as well. And they're just so cute, but they fit so much better than all the other ones. Like, fit me. They're just so cute. I love them. Guys, get yourself some cargo utility things. They're so in right now. And that's because they're comfy, like. Comfortable.
So next up, I was like Hawaiian shirt.
I'd wear this like more with a bralette or something. Like. It's cute. I like this. I was gonna crop it and like cut it like to here or whatever. Let me know in the comments if I should or if I should just like keep it like this. Cause I kind of like it like this, but if it was cropped, I wouldn't mind either though. So let me know in the comments below if I should crop it or if it should be.
Let me know.
This was. Oh, tag's still on it. Good. This was $8. So, yep. Next up, I have this, like oversized. It's not a flannel. It's not like that material. It's more like closer to shirt material. I don't really know how to like really describe it, but like this one's it's oversized and baggy, and this is like very much full, just very.
I just love this.
I love that it like falls like over my hands. Like I just love that. It makes you feel like engulfed and like cozier. It's not like warm or anything. It just makes you feel like. Okay. No. Okay. We have this polo.
Designer, baby.
Designer. Luxury. It's giving skateboard luxury. That's what it's giving right now. I love this. This is cozy. This is like actually cozy. This is like actually warm. But this is so cute. It's like oversized. This is gonna be great for the fall. You just, like with the skates, with the pants, with the Carhartts. Like what? I'm giving you brands, baby. I'm giving you skater boy designer. That's what I'm giving. Carhartt with the polo. Can't touch me.
Can't touch me. Yeah.
I had a skateboard, in the 5th grade. Don't play with me. Okay. So that was it for my little thrift haul, just a few light pieces to change up the wardrobe a bit. If you like this haul, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Amber Beauty. And let me know in the comments below what other stuff you would like to see from me.
Just
a little slight flex. You want me to do any like makeup videos or other clothing stuff?
Just let me know. I'm ready, y'all. I got best of videos for you guys. So.
It's been real. the next video, guys. Peace.